In this video, we're going to add the top plates to the top of the stud wall. So to show you the dimensions that I'm going to be working with, this here is the height of the stud. So I'm going to move, or I'm going to make a copy of this plate down here up to this position. So I need to add the stud length plus one plate, which is 1.5 inches. So I'll make the copy 94 1/8 of an inch up. So I'm going to select one of these bottom plates, and then I'm going to select all instances and entire project, since these are the only 4 currently in the project. So it's selected them all. Now I'm going to go to the south elevation. I can see they're still highlighted, and I'm going to hit copy. And then I'll input my 94.125 and be sure to include the inches. Okay. So let's take a look in 3D. There they all are. And the next thing I'm going to do, I won't be able to select all of them in the entire project. So I don't want to copy the bottom plate just yet. I will at some point. Right now, I'm just holding down the control key, and then I'm going to go back to my south elevation, copy, and this time I'm just going to make the copy 1.5 inches for the thickness of the 2x6. Okay, so now I have my plates running all the way around. And one thing is that when I've drawn these plates, I just drew a full one, the whole length of the structure. So that's like 40 feet. They aren't going to come that long. They would probably be 16 feet and then cut depending on the condition. The other thing is that you want to make them lap. In other words, I wouldn't want to have a joint that cut through the 2 plates because I have a point of weakness. Same thing for the corners. So what I'm going to do is change the alignment so they're not just stacked, but I have a slightly lapped condition. So I'm going to go to modify and align, and I'm going to choose this inner face and then this face, and then I'll do the same thing at the corner so that I have a lapped condition at all 4 corners. You may need to use your navigation cube to sort of get the right angles for this process. And I'll repeat this for the other 2 corners. Okay, now all 4 corners have a lapped condition at the top plates. So the top plates are now in. We're ready to move on to the next thing.